Hello everyone, I am Bakr Ceesay from Nusa University, majoring informatics engineering, that is BSc in informatics engineering. Today I will walk you through 5 fundamental concepts in informatics engineering. And before then, I would like to tell you this is my first semester. This is the end of my first semester in informatics engineering. Okay, let's go through some fundamental concepts in informatics engineering, or let me say computer science. The main fundamental concepts are binary search, bubble search, quick sort, tree, graph in Python. Yeah. Um. So let's check what is binary search. Binary search in Python or in programming is an efficient logarithm for finding an item in a sorted list. So when you wanted to find an item in a sorted list, then you can use binary search to do it. The principle that it works on is logarithm. It works by repeatedly dividing the search interval into halves. So it will divide it into half many times until it get to the particular element that you are searching for. In this case, in the example here, we are searching for 3, that is element 3. So you can see we have in the sorted list, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, but we are searching for 3. So when you run the code, you will have 3 as your output. As for bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly swap adjacent elements if they are in a wrong order. So when elements are listed in a sorted list, like let's say in this case, we have 64, 34, 25, 12, and 22, as you can see in the this thing, how to call it, in the code here. Okay, what will happen is like the elements are entered roughly. So you wanted to list them accordingly in a correct order, then you can use bubble sort to do that. Bubble sort to do that in Python. Although bubble sort is not that much fast, however, when the elements are not that much many, you can use it. It is very easy. It is easier because it is not this thing that much complicated. Secondly, like since the elements are not many, then it's not going to take longer time for it to work. But if the elements are too much, it is better to think of to use other alternatives than bubble size, because bubble size is not that much quick. It does it one after another. Okay, um here we have 64 in the code, as you can see in the image here, 64, 30, 3, 25, 12, and this thing. When you run the code, it will sort it out. You will have 12, as you can see in the output, 12, 22, 25, 34, and 64. That's how it's going to be this thing. That is bubble search. Bubble sort rather. So the other alternative, which is faster than bubble sort, is quick sort. From the name of quick, it divides and conquer algorithm. It selects a pivot element and partitions the list around it. Average time complexity is O n log n. Here is an example of a Python code. You can see in the diagram here, we have the list is 3, 6, 8, 18, 1, 12, and 1. So this is faster than bubble sort if you are dealing with a very large elements, like 1 million elements. Example, like, okay, you use this one, it is faster. So the output will give you 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and 16. It is better when you are using a very large element. Let's move to the other fundamental concept, that is tree data structure. A tree is a hierarchical structure with nodes connected by edges. A common type is the binary search tree. Let's create a simple this thing. You can see, as you can see in this thing, I have already created one a binary search tree in this thing here, in the code here. You can see it in the image here. Okay. Graph data structure. The other one is graph data structure. A graph data structure consists of nodes, vertex connected by edges. It's used in social networks, maps, and more. Here's a graph represented using an adjacent list in Python. You can see in this thing. So those are the basically those are the main fundamental concepts in computer science or informatic engineering. Informatic engineering and computer science are all alternatives. The names are alternative. They use in countries and the like. So thank you very much, everyone. I am Bakr Ceesay from Nusa University, and feel free to ask any question in the comment section. Anything you don't understand, you can ask. Inshallah, we will give you a better explanation or more deeper explanation to it.